Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans, bringing to you today a 73 plate delivery mileage, pure grey Transporter. Super desirable Kombi conversion, long wheelbase, rare to find, with a 150 PS engine and the DSG gearbox. This one has our full MASV styling package, as you'll see going around it, with all the gloss black back and grills on it and the matte black contrasting badges. Highline model, so great spec as standard, including the front and rear sensors, adaptive cruise control and air conditioning. This one's got 20-inch gloss black velour alloy wheels with brand new Unioil tyres, and it's lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Take care of all the little details. So the Transporter badges are gloss black, the side reflectors smoked, privacy tints to the rear, and we've got gloss black mirrors and surrounds there. Moving inside the vehicle, this is a 5-seater. So it's got 2 individual captain's chairs up front with our MASV embossed bespoke leather. Lovely environment in the cabin of these 6.1s. Got the Apple CarPlay Android Auto stereo unit. And this one has factory heated front seats too. Carbon leather steering wheel finishes things off nicely there with the little integral red stitch. Another really important part of this vehicle to note is that it is twin sliding doors, so you've got access from both sides, and those sliding doors have power latching. So I'll display that feature to you in just a second. Just show you the rear here. It's a 2+1 seating arrangement. So this one does indeed lever up to allow access to the rear. Now, while we're looking at the rear, this is fully carpet lined throughout. Some LED downlighters in the tailgate, which are perfect for when you're loading. And 4 LEDs in the suede lined roof. All switchable by that little red switch that the eagle-eyed amongst you may have spotted on that side. So, power closing. When you go to shut the door, if it isn't fully shut, the motor just pulls the door in, so you can't leave it ajar. No more having to slam doors either. Long wheelbase is this extra bit here. That's how you know it's a long wheelbase, because it's got 40 centimetres longer there rather than the door stopping at the start of the wheel arch. On the rear, nicely debadged, just the MASV detailing now. Carbon fibre rear bumper protector to save against any scratches. And this one's got the optional factory reverse camera too. Now these long wheelbases have got a huge interior space. So from the threshold here to the back of those seats, you can fit in an adult mountain bike straight on. You won't have to put it on an angle. Just turn the handlebars and you can stack them side by side. So really, really big space in the back there. As we come round, I'll just show you the side view so you can see the difference. All the little styling touches make that high level rear spoiler. Lower front spoiler there too. The wheels, all the gloss blacking. Really just finishes it off nicely. And that second sliding door there too. Does have power folding mirrors as well, this one. And just 21 miles from new. So delivery mileage. Here's a better look at that wheel too. For those of you looking to purchase this through a company, it is VAT applicable on top of the sale price, and this is a van on the V5C, so there's no ambiguity when you come in to put this one through your books and claim your VAT back. This is definitely classed as a van. We've got 20 plus photos and a full written description of the spec of the vehicle, all on our website at justnicevans.co.uk. We do take part exchanges and we can offer finance facilities too. So if you're interested in this vehicle, please do get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.